Botany Quiz. Rhizopus. Rhizopus are saprophytic and parasitic fungi. They are commonly known as bread mold. They contain cynocytic hyphae. Rhizopus species are used to produce alcoholic beverages and chemicals. Some of the species are pathogenic to plants and animals. The cell wall of most of the fungi contains, option A, hemicellulose, option B, chitin, option C, peptidoglycan, option D, cellulose. The correct answer is option B, chitin. Absorptive heterotrophic mode of nutrition is present in option A, pteridophyte, option B, bryophytes, option C, fungi, option D, algae. The correct answer is option C, fungi. Zygospore formation is a characteristic feature of option A, mucor or rhizopus, option B, Puccinia, option C, alternaria, option D, Mycelium. The correct answer is option A, mucor or rhizopus. Asexual reproduction in rhizopus is by the formation of option A, zygospores, option B, motile zoospores, option C, sporangiospores, option D, zoogametes. The correct answer is option C, sporangiospores. Which of the following class does rhizopus belong to? Option A, Ascomycetes, option B, Chytridiomycetes, option C, Deuteromycetes, option D, Zygomycetes. The correct answer is option D, Zygomycetes. Dash is commonly known as black bread mold, option A, Rhizobium species, option B, Rhizopus oryzae, option C, Rhizopus nodosus, option D, Rhizopus stolonifer. The correct answer is option D, Rhizopus stolonifer. Sexual reproduction in rhizopus takes place by fusion of option A, 2 sporangia, option B, 2 gametangia, option C, 2 gametes, option D, 2 hyphae. The correct answer is option B, 2 gametangia. Mycelium of Rhizopus is option A, aseptate and multinucleate, option B, septate and multinucleate, option C, aseptate and uninucleate, option D, septate and cynocyte. The correct answer is option A, aseptate and multinucleate. Meiosis occurs in the life cycle of rhizopus during option A, asexual reproduction, option B, formation of gametangium, option C, germination of zygospores, option D, formation of sporangium. The correct answer is option C, germination of zygospores. Asexual reproduction in rhizopus is by the formation of option A, chlamydospores, option B, aplanospores, option C, sporangiospores, option D, all the above. The correct answer is option D, all the above.